Hi folks. Well, the good news is I got my computer, I put a new hard drive in it, and it's up and running. And I've been spending some time downloading some of the files that I like to have, and I'm not going to buy another video editing suite. I don't do anything fancy, so there's no real reason for me to have a fancy editor. And I've got what does it say? Open Shot Video Editor. It's a free editor. And I've also got Any Video Converter, and I've got OpenOffice. They're all three free software, free to use. And I put a few more things on there, but yeah, that's the good news. So I'm happy I got it going. It's too bad I lost a lot of stuff though. It really is a shame. Anyway, I'm gonna make an ISO file and put it on a bootable USB thumb drive, so that if this ever happens again, I'll have some recourse. I won't be starting totally from scratch. And I guess I can update that ISO file every now and then, so that I have some kind of a backup of my computer, so that if I have another hard drive failure, I'll have a way to get most of it back. And there's the old hard drive, and I was lucky that the new one came fairly quickly. I was kind of surprised, especially at this time of year. I imagine that the delivery company is pretty busy, especially with this stupid COVID stuff that's going on. A lot more people are ordering, I think, online. Anyway, so the new hard drive cost me, with shipping, cost me in US money a little less than $50. So I can't really complain too much about that. And that's about it. So hope everybody had a great Christmas, and Happy New Year. It's going to be New Year's Eve pretty soon. Right now it's December 30th, and that means it's almost New Year's Eve, and I think it's going to be a lot more quiet around here than it usually is. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.